this is Elect Zero again, and as per request on my first SadScripting video, I decided that I would go through a sample script and just explain what everything did and how it worked and whatnot. So this is a script I just pulled straight off the scripting database on the Extreme Worlds website, which is www.mmorpgmaker.org. And you got a wiki that's kind of out of date, and some forums that are pretty up to date, and all sorts of good stuff. So this is a teleportation service script thing. I don't know. I think Lunar made it. I don't know. Anyway, so you put this in your sub commands, which that's not really important. Really what I'm showing you is some syntax and stuff. So like this right here, the if get player map index. Obviously that gets what map the player is on, or what map the current index is on. I'll make another tutorial about that some other time. Just don't worry about that. All you need to do is just put index in the parentheses there. And if it equals 2, and your x, which is defined earlier in commands, whereas x, which is this would actually be like this: get player x index equals 1, and get player y index equals 1. I just made up random numbers, doesn't really matter. So if you're on map number 2 and you're on x number 1 and y number 1, then down here, if you have the item, whichever index, and then whichever item right here, that's the item number. If you have, like, this is the default is gold. If you have 500 of that, then do a player warp to whatever map number x and y you want. Like, you would change this to, like, I don't know, 4 and 5 and 7, just as an example. And then it calls take item index, whatever item number, and value. So it'll take 500 gold, and then it gives you the player message. Just be like this. Anyway, thank you for using the blah 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 teleportation service, and in the color bright cayenne, and if. So, and if you put this in the subcommands, it runs when you type in /town1, just the way he made it. So just how that works. It's decently easy. So yeah, just a simple explanation of a simple script. So if you have any questions, message me or post a comment. If you have any suggestions, message me or post a comment. Just stuff like that. So yeah.